Hi everyone, Maria went back with another Tech Tuesday video and we're going to go over Illinois Public Records. It's one of our harder databases to use, but it has a lot of things that could be very useful to you if you are looking for records on property, looking things for businesses, even doing background checks. There's a lot you can learn from this website. So I think it's usually underutilized because a lot of people don't know what to use this website for or don't even kind of click on it. It looks like it's just a little bit too much data, but it's kind of easy to use and it has, like I said, a lot of things that you might be looking for in terms of information when it comes to even yourself and property and things like that. So let's get into it. As always, we're going to start off at our library's homepage, www.mapld.org. We're going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z list. We go down to Illinois Public Records. Make sure you click outside the library so you can actually click on the right one. Once you click on it, it's going to send you to here. You're going to need to select your library. So you're going to scroll down, find Matson, and then enter your library card here too without spaces. Don't worry about your pen, you just need your library card. If for any reason you can't access this from outside the library, just give us a call at 708-748-4431, or you can email us at mtslib@mapld.org and we can help you, okay? So once you put in your information, hit remote library login. This is what you will see. So because of the pandemic that's still going on, sometimes these websites are taking a little longer to update because people like myself are working remotely still. So it's hard for them to actually scan in things. Things have been pushed back as far as dates for different types of court cases, things that have been approved or not approved, been notarized, things like that. So if you're looking for something in particular, it might not be showing up as quickly as it says here. It does say that it's slowed down. They usually do update this within a week or even a couple of days, couple of hours after some things have gone through prior to pre-COVID. So post-COVID, hopefully everything goes back to normal, but it's going to be a little bit before they actually be able to catch up on, the scanning of data. But as you can see, there's a lot of different things you can do as far as business licenses, code violations. Check Illinois is actually one where you can actually do a quick, fast background check. So it's not going to give you all the details you want on a person, but if you were looking to, say, hire a nanny, hire a babysitter or a tutor, and you just want to make sure this person's a good person, you can definitely put in their name and location here, and it will give you kind of like a different type of layout as far as the person's name's involved. It'll give you just a brief abstract summary of if there's any type of things under record. If you're filing for any type of like court proceedings, foreclosures, divorce, liens or judgments against you, you can look those up and see the status of those court dates too, and to see where they're at with the proceedings. You can actually look up somebody's profile for DUIs or even types of felonies, misdemeanors too. For mortgage assessments, you can actually look at to see if your property was, say, the mortgage rate or the property taxes. If you want to see the history of your current location, you can actually look that up too. If you want to see if you paid off your house, congratulations. You can actually see if the mortgage company, the bank itself, released the mortgage to the county. So you can actually request to have your deed of your house or a copy of your deed sent to you. This is another way you can actually look that up too. You can look up real estate transactions and things like that. So this is kind of, like I said, it's kind of heavy when it comes to the material you can access here, but it's very important, especially if you have any of the needs for any of these types of subjects. There's helpful tips. So if you're kind of not sure on how to start to browse, they do have tips on how browser issues. If you're looking for Illinois like crime codes, types of contracts, and then like different types of way things are filled in. So if you do enter in, say, like a court case with certain letters and numbers, sometimes you do have to put spaces, sometimes you don't. This is a nice way for you to actually see how to enter the documents you have. So the helpful tips are really useful in this area. You can also provide feedback. So if there's something that you are not seeing or something that's not updated accordingly, say you have some paperwork and you don't see it updated in their system and it's been taking a while, you can actually contact them. You can actually contact him here. There's also a Facts and questions page, most recently asked questions, or most commonly asked questions, I should say. But yeah, and you could change your database. So if you start on one here, say for example, mortgages, you can go and find the area you live in, the county, and then you can go ahead and start. So for example, like you can do Cook records. If you have your property's PIN number, the area of the community, if you're looking for which different types of mortgage types, if you know, VA, reverse, and you can basically get the records this way too. And like I said, it'll show you the property records a couple of years back. So if you just want to have an idea of what your property was worth before you bought it, you can definitely use this too. But yeah, and so you change databases, click up here, and that's it. So if you want to go to mortgage releases, click on that, and it'll take you to the next database. Boom. But that's about it. So it's, like I said, there's a lot of information you could possibly get from this website. A lot of things you can do with it. It just depends on what you're looking for. But if you have any questions, like I said, you can always reach out and give us a call at 708-748-4431. You can email us too at mtslib@mapld.org. Remember, go to our website at mapld.org, research and learning, A to Z list. This is where you'll always find all our research and learning databases. Go down and make sure you click the outside the library link. You'll need your library card, and then all you have to do is click on the library name. But that is about it. All right, everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye.